In this section, we look into how to apply material into selected areas. So let's take a look at this cube. It is a primitive object, meaning that even if we have segments, it's not separated. So once we add a material, it will apply to the whole cube. What if we want to apply material into selected polygons? How can we do that? So let's delete the material, just right click and change it to make editable, meaning that turn it straight away into polygons. And right now you see our icons has turned into polygons, meaning that we are separated the cubes in sections. So let's select these polygons and go to our live selection. And remember, visible only. We are not going to go through to the other sides. And let's select this and this. These are the polygons that we want to select to apply our material. So let's get into the select and go all the way down to store selection. Once I click store selection, you'll see that there's this selection icons coming up. And this one, we can rename it into right one. So let's deselect that and we choose the other selection. Hold down shift, select, and yep, maybe like this, and one more maybe. And we go to select again and get into the store selection. So this is the second store selection, right? Two. Right. So let's select again and maybe we get into here. Hold down shift to select and hold down control to deselect. Hold down shift again to add your selection. So I get into select, store, going to left one. All right, so these are the selection that we are having. And if let's say we want to update maybe this one, I select this, I want to update it, I can hold down shift, select all this and update. So this is my R1, I just updated. So right now, if I choose, I deselect everything. If I choose this polygon and I put select, and this is the polygons that I have selected. So right now, what we need to do is we put our green for the overall, and I put yellow over here. And at this selection, we just drag and drop the polygons that we want. Now we can just add red and drag and drop the selection that we want. And we have blue and we drag and drop the selection we want. So this is how we can apply our different materials into different polygons in a cube. Make sure that you change it into polygons.